What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute flying dragon. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing the eyes on the left side of the page. So start with the left eye, start from the very top, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up. We're going to add a small circle on the top of each eye for highlight. All the way around and then back up. And then on the bottom right side, we'll draw a smaller circle. We'll go glare. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's go in between the eyes and add a fold. We're going to go up, and then bend this down. And then on either side, we're going to draw two curves for the nostrils. Let's move down and draw a curve for the mouth. Coming down and then up. Now on the corners of the mouth, we're going to add a small bracket going out. Underneath each eye, we're going to draw a small oval for the cheeks, going sideways. And then above each eye, we're going to add a curve for the eyebrows. Now we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the cheek, going out, come down towards the chin, go all the way around and in on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We'll start by bending this out. Now I want to pull this in towards the center. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to add the base of the horn. Coming down and then up. Go all the way around the right side of the head. Come down and then bend that in. Now I'm going to place that horn inside this little socket. Starting from this point, bend this up and in towards the middle. Go out and then back down. Let's add two smaller horns across the side. Starting on the left, we're going to go out and then back in like a half oval. And then with the body, we're going to draw the character from the side. So let's start underneath the chin on the right side. We're going to start with the arm, bend this down and across towards the left. Round out the arm, come in, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to leave a gap and draw in the hind leg. We're going to start by coming down and out towards the right. Round out the leg, come in and up. Let's add 3 toes across that front leg. Adding 3 small half circles on the end. Do the same thing across that hind leg. Now I'm going to draw the curve for the body, starting underneath the chin, bend this down in behind the arm. I want to continue that curve in towards the hind leg. Continue on the right side, going out and up. I'm just going to curl around the tail, coming out and then down. Now let's go underneath the head on the right side. We're going to draw the back, going out. I'm just going to taper the tail so it gets narrower as it comes down towards the end. Let's draw the back side hand and hind legs. We're going to start out here, curl this out, and then in. Do the same thing across the bottom. Let's add a trim across the bottom of the body. Starting underneath the head, curl this down and in. Just going to follow that curve going across the belly and just taper out towards the tail. Now I'm going to add some spines across the back. Let's start on the top, going up and then down. Leave a gap. I'm just going to continue out towards the end of the tail, going a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to add that wing across the back. Let's start underneath the head, bend this up, and then out. And we'll draw a series of curves coming across the bottom, coming back in towards the body. Let's finish off by adding a few clouds in the background. We're going to start from the left side with a straight line going across the bottom. Go back to the left side, add a curve coming around, add a large one in the middle, and a couple small ones on the right side. Let's add another one across the top. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a cute flying dragon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.